and Google takes us live, and it is the Kent Beck Scrum, and we have Sam and Michael and Federico and Ben, and here we are. And I will update first. I've just been doing a pairing session with Fatima from Turkey on local support, and we got her invited into the Agile Ventures C9 team, and she didn't need a credit card, so that was awesome. And we then burned time getting the local support set up. We do seem to have discovered, like, there is a weird date issue on my machine that's not replicated on other people's machines, which is strange, that I'm slightly perturbed by. And if people are interested, I will show you. But yeah, that's kind of weird. We've got the website one meeting coming up next, and it's new day of Wednesdays. And yeah, the big things I want to get done are I need to get screenshots of the new forms for the Anthony Powell Society membership database out to the client. I'm trying to finish up the NHS Wiki report for the trustees on Agile Ventures, and make sure that our premium database is all up to date with the right people in it. Yeah, that's my update. Michael, you were in first. How are things going with you?
Good. So not much of a report. I was in the mob earlier, and I'll probably be at the website one planning meeting, which is apparently today.
Yep.
So, and I didn't get a chance to work on the one feature that's got an open pull request still for making people log in before they sign up for premium, but I think probably get that done at least by the end of the week.
Cool.
I think potentially tomorrow. It's pretty easy, I think.
Nice one. Cool. Thanks, Michael. Federico and Ben, you came in, and Ben's unmuted. Ben, how are things going with you?
Things are all right. I just solved a problem installing the dependencies for the deep learning thing on Python. It was kind of a rough thing because that version of Python doesn't play well with Mac's sort of certificate thing, so I had to trace that down. I think I just solved it. Other thing, I actually submitted a PR last night for the website one issue I was working on, but
cool.
Pending. There's still one more thing that needs to be
right.
The robots are still digging holes, so that's cool. I like that. I was at the mob earlier, with Michael, and also like him, I'm planning on being at the website one meeting.
Cool.
Since I've sort of upped my involvement.
Nice one. Nice one. Excellent. So nothing blocking you. Reminds me, the deep learning, I got the thing working on the server, and I've got the one loop thing done, and trying to get onto the no loop thing.
Is the memory issue still persistent there?
No, I killed a lot of zombie processes, and it's okay.
Okay.
But yeah, cool. Thanks, Ben. Federico, how are things going with you?
Hey, everyone. Pretty well. Let me just. So basically, I got finished up with the Phoenix Guides mob, which I think we're pairing back to just once a week now. I think everyone's thoroughly burned out on our little November marathon. We got to Ecto on the mobs here, and we're moving on to context tomorrow. And so anyway, that's sort of interesting. But what I really want to share right now is that when I did the updates to the YouTube link, this is for the YouTube link. So I did the Hangout link for the event, Phoenix Guides one. And what's even more interesting, if I try to go back here, it gives me all this.
Yeah. It doesn't load the style sheet. Yeah, I've seen that. I've seen that going back issue before. Yeah, you had that same 500 error like yesterday or the day before, didn't you?
Yesterday and twice today. So when I did the save on the Hangout and the save on the YouTube, but it did post. So I mean, it worked, but it's just that error.
Right, and then it subsequently timed out or something. Okay. Yeah, that's really useful. And yeah, that's no. Can I? What is it? Let's look at that more in the website one meeting. Do you have anything else on your agenda, Federico, or anything else blocking you?
No, not really. We also just removed the live scrum and the retro for Phoenix One to 3 p.m. UTC tomorrow, Thursday.
Okay.
I'll be at the website one planning meeting. That's it.
Excellent. Thanks, Federico. Thanks for reporting that bug. I see Will has also joined us. Hey, Will, how are you doing?
Hey everyone, I'm doing fine, thanks. I've done. I haven't done any work since the Scrum this morning, but I'm still not blocked. I was wondering actually if I could come along to the website one meeting.
Oh, totally. Yeah, you would be very welcome.
Great. Okay. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say at the moment.
All right. Yes. Well, I think that's our Scrum. Then I'm really keen to sit down with Will and kind of get my head more around the Y projects. But yeah, I think probably the sensible thing to do is probably to break now, so I can grab a cup of tea before the website one meeting, and we can all meet up there. Yeah, in the background, I'm just
It's in 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, it is in 5 minutes. Yeah, so that's hopefully if if someone doesn't tackle me on the way downstairs, I will be able to get the tea. But I tell you what I'll do is, yeah, that's our problem. Maybe I'll stop the broadcast there, and Gail's here as well. Hey, Gail. Good to see you, Gail. You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. Hiding.
Good stuff. I was just about to stop the broadcast there because we've sort of done the Scrum. I'm going to grab a cup of tea,